The nitty-gritty of wire brush. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a common phrase that might have you scratching your head: wire brush. Is it just a tool? Or is there more to it? Let's brush up on our English and find out. A wire brush is a tool consisting of a brush with bristles made from wire. Most commonly, these wires are made of steel, which makes the brush strong and abrasive. Used for cleaning, it can scrub off rust, remove paint, and clean out hard-to-reach areas. But, as with many English terms, it's not just about the literal meaning. Sometimes, wire brush is used figuratively. For example, someone might say they're going to wire brush a problem, meaning they're ready to tackle it head-on and with vigorous effort. Or, if a person is described as having a wire brush personality, it might suggest they are abrasive or tough. In different cultures, wire brush can take on unique meanings. It might be used in idioms or sayings that are not directly related to cleaning. These cultural nuances are what make English a fun and challenging language to master. And that's a wrap on wire brush. Whether you're dealing with a real tool or a metaphorical concept, you're now equipped to understand and use this phrase with confidence. Keep building your language toolbox with us, and until next time, happy learning!